Hi Paris.
Hi guys.
What is happening? What is happening, you all? It's a blessed today. What can I do? Thursday to you from our Jamaican home to wherever you are. We want to hope that everything is in good order with you and your family. You know, we're giving thanks. The heat is on in Jamaica, and I know most of you who are not in Jamaica watching from like United States, like Canada and England, and you know, we know that you're having this, you know, cold weather. So we are just praying and sticking around with you that everything, it's soon burst, man. We're in March, so by the time, you know, a few weeks time, and everything will be good. So we just want to say thank you for being a part of the Jamaican Debbie Strain. Thank you so much. A long time I don't see we over here. So today what we have for you, we have here some long time Jamaican snacks. So what else we call it? One little mukbang, don't it? Because that way a little something, not true? Not a mukbang. But we are sharing with you, and as we go along you can tell us some. It's a little mini mukbang, and I sit down here saying I'm not chat. I say mukbang and you don't have to be eating a lot of food in Paris. So we're gonna be sharing with you some little back then Jamaican snacks. Remember, this is not, and we're not doing an advertisement for them people, but probably would have hope if them see it, then I might can't come because they not more product than I want to know if you see. You know, but these are some little long time snacks for you who all remember when you were in Jamaica and all of that, and how we used to eat back then. And we are having, these are like some sodas. So this is the ginger beer. I'm having the ginger beer. And let me put something right here. I know this is not healthy eating anything. This is just some little snacks that we eat over the decades from at Jamaica. Sometimes when we were going to school, even though as big people, when the people go shopping, they take up a lot of them. Some of the people that are picking them up, they don't even have kids. But sometimes some of them look a snack here. And I know a lot of you all, when you come to Jamaica, you're going to the supermarket, them definitely find some of these. And I guess maybe you're finding some of these. This is like the ginger beer. Yes. And come on, girl, what you have?
The D&G cream soda.
Yeah. So when we buy these snacks, these are most like some of the drink. This is the type of drink. We know it's having some citric acid and all of that. So we know about it. Maybe it's not good for you. We know it's not good for me. But every now and then, I buy one or I drink one depending on how I feel. Okay? So it's not an healthy. It's nothing to do with healthy. Okay? So I'm just making sure we make that clear. So these, we will drink different flavors. So this is the ginger beer. This is the cream soda. You remember the cream soda? I think they have changed the label. It would be think blue and white. I'm not sure. And also they have changed the label of some of these two. And also most of the time, some way back then, they would be in glass bottles. Alright. Right here I have a round bun. Jamaican round bun. Comment if you love Jamaican round bun. When you come to Jamaica, you always get it. Or when your family them coming up with them carry Jamaican round bun. And we have a video to do for you to make one of the round bun on the Jamaican cooking journey. So we have a piece of cheese like I would buy at a shop. Make sure we go get the shop version. One round bun and a slice of cheese. Okay? You get the round bun in the supermarket, but you know, you look a piece of cheese that in a bag, so it's bigger pieces. I have here one banana chips. I'm not doing any advertisement, but this I look way back. Nicest banana chips are way back. Comment. And also we have here the good old cheese crunchies, but I didn't buy a cheese crunchies for a good while now, and I did not realize that they changed the package. So I just recently, probably less than a month, because I had cheese crunchies like less than a month ago and it was the original package. So this sort of changed a little. So we are going to go now and we are going to go and mumble remote.
Is it the big cheese crunchies you bought or small?
No, this is the small. They have a bigger one.
No, I'm asking, did you buy the big one or the small one?
The big one package
no,
to change.
It's this one.
Oh, if I had known that, because they have the bigger one, but back in the days they never have no bigger one. This was just a side. If I had known, I would have gotten one of the bigger one to show you the original wrapping along with this size. So we have the cheese crunchies, we got the nicest banana chips, we have the Jamaican round bun, may have my slice of cheese, may have drinks, and my drink is ginger beer. And camera girl show them, she have the same thing too. So we are going to go and talk, and I don't know know how you would eat these. Which one you would eat first. Comment in because I'm going to them. So please comment and tell me how you would eat. Watch how me I go eat mine. When me I go eat first. And you tell me what you would eat first. So let me do camera girl. Normally when you know you go to school or you go to the people that might sell on the road and you say one round bun, they would go like this. Then nobody pull it in. Look at this. No man, them cut it so. Cut it straight through the plastic. So you still would have it. That's how they would do it. You know the people that might sell on the road. Them look hustling. Yeah. And then you have. Please comment. I'm just taking you back how we do things in Jamaica. And I want to tell you, you know, them do them something good on the road. Look how them will do it. Them and make sure so them and not catch it in there. You watch me? And they cut it like that. And then they take the cheese. And they would have them cheese in a something. I hope you are all seeing. So they would open the bun. Put the cheese in there. With them knife. Oops. And then they would go like this. Slice down the cheese in 2 equal parts. And you would get your bun and your cheese out the road from a little man who had doing thing out the road and him hand still not catch your bun. Comment if you remember that. So that is camera girls. And me I go start out for my bun. So camera girl, you can start going to eat, you know. Me I go have my bun and cheese first. I feel like I want to eat my bun and cheese. So comment and tell me Paris which one you would eat first. And all of that. So I'm trying to get my cheese. Me I cut my bun. Maybe you might hear a little noise with the plastic. I'm sorry for that. Because you know some people kind of bother them nerves. You know? I'm sorry. Just trying to bring you back. So I'm going to put in my cheese in my bun too. And cut the cheese down. Some people that take out them bun and squeeze it up and eat. How do you do yours? Please comment. Some people squeeze because this bun is soft, you know. So this is in East. So we want to do some of these on the Jamaican cooking journey. But them bun here, they're older than everyone away. So we are going to proceed to eat. Come on, girl, you eat? You eat a banana chip for her? Round bun and cheese. Back then, we're not using straws. We're just going to drink. We wash our bottle. Our bottle. Because you know, so them bottle, everybody come touch them up. Ginger beer. You might hear me belch too. I know this bursts the gas. I burst the gas. So, now I want to eat my banana cheese. Tell you. Alright, so what has been happening for you and Parry? You have enough food? You have enough food?
Look. I don't say it's just
Mm-hmm.
probably banana cheese on this, but I don't see banana cheese.
And some people will like pull them bananas when you're crave. I think when you're greedy.
What, in the middle?
No, I'm saying some people will start eat the bun, but it's that they do they eat a little everything. I'm telling you, everybody eat different family party. Everybody do them little eating different. So comment how you would eat these. Huh? This bun is different from the stout bun. This is a yeast bun, but it is soft. Look at it. Squeeze it up. That's how some people eat theirs. Comment and tell me if I saw you eat a bun and cheese. There are some people that's how they eat it. Comment. Just squeeze it. This is a Jamaican thing. Ginger beer. So It's really, it has a lot of, I don't, maybe this is ginger powder. I'm not sure. Let me taste it. Let me taste it. Let me taste the cream soda. Long time now. Barry, you remember cream soda?
They call it club soda.
Oh, you guys call it club soda. We call it cream soda. It tastes good though. And let me tell you something. The cream soda, it has not lost its original taste. It's good for me.
The ginger beer is ginger powders. That's why I said
How are these?
artificial flavor.
Oh.
Already ginger beer.
So,
The other
most
ginger,
time.
yeah, the other ginger beer, no, not this one. The other one, I think that is actually real ginger.
Which one?
I don't remember. There's another ginger
So
beer.
most time when you buy these snacks, this is what you would use because these carbonated drink, them go nice with them. And they're still beauty, them still reasonable price. You can go and eat a little snack them. I watch TV if you cook dinner early. That is bun, yeah, it's soft, you know, but it's kind of what, chewy, waxy. And kids at school would buy these for lunch too. We're gonna leave the cost of each one of these snacks for you in the description. And leave the total. And you tell me what you think. We're done from my bun and cheese. I'm putting the cheese country.
I'm not sure they normally sell a bun and cheese.
I'm up to the bun.
As in, no, I'm asking, as in like, what I'm going to shop on.
150. For who not familiar, every Jamaican know this cheese Crunchies. That's what it looks like. These are thin, and one of my favorite. I used to love it with Pepsi. I'm agree there now. I eat the banana chips and the cheese Crunchies together.
Banana chips are here first or something?
Some banana chips.
Yeah, like how it used to have a lot, that used to have a lot of salt. Barely on.
No, this don't have a lot of salt.
I don't think.
This is good.
Some banana chips are the new ones that they have out, the salt bad.
Ginger beer. Yeah, this banana chip, I'm thinking no. Not true. I'm thinking no.
And mom is big about it.
Look. Crispy, crunchy, and nice. And they're light. These don't weigh a lot.
There's a bigger bag thing now, but the bigger bag, banana chips must be at the bottom and the top is flat here. The bigger bag tree, the nicest banana chips when you see in the supermarket. The top just flat here and the bottom part are just
Must be the bigger one.
Yeah.
When last you add these Parry, comment and as I said before, which one of these are your favorite? After 3?
It's in a white bag.
These Crunchies. The cheese Crunchies. Which one was your favorite when you were a younger person? I like these when I was younger. I still eat them. Tomorrow girl love round bun, don't?
Used to, I don't really eat it that much anymore. No.
Banana chips is addicting.
But I feel like you may eat it too much.
I'm gonna eat too much round bun.
When I really like it, but I'm just
Banana chips crunchy and nice, but it's not soggy.
banana chips are usually saggy. Which banana chips saggy?
Yeah, some banana chips saggy, man. Yeah, from banana chips, we not buy them. And come home. And saggy. I put the package is saggy. And you think so wrong from a long time. I actually like these. Actually like this. Come in. What about you? These are runs for the longest while. Come here, eat and enjoy that one for school picnic. And now we are eating these, and maybe somebody just feel like them want to come home. Long time not eat, but you can't come, man. Come out of the yard. You know, just know where you're moving, know you do your thing. When you come and get a visit, come and get a visit. Not eat some of them snack here. I want to do. Eat a banana leaf. Banana chips nice. Which one's your brand of soda?
As in favorite brand.
I ask them.
Oh, as in favorite
The
brand.
ginger beer is good, not the ginger beer. Actually, I like the ginger beer above all. Alright, it's cheap one day.
Normally, I used to drink soda like that when I was younger. I used to drink soda.
No, we don't drink a lot of sodas now. We just use it to show you. It's like we're almost not drinking sodas now.
Yeah, anymore. But when I used
But
to drink
for this video, we just use this to show you that most time, 90% of the time, these carbonated drinks, we drink them with these snacks in Jamaica.
Most what I would drink is the apple soda.
Yeah, apple J.
That one.
When you reach here, son, you can't afford to throw in and I look for crumbs. I can't wait to see what you comment about me, sir. So God be the glory, we are having this little snack mukbang in the kitchen. And Lord, I am so cool, I feel so good. And can I tell you something, Barry? The sun is blazing. I'm not so good with the temperature and sitting there. But the sun is blazing on the outside. I'm sorry. Pardon me. Pardon, I know you all who are watching this, you're coming from the cooking channel. You want to say thanks over yourself on that channel again. You want to pick up Tony and your wife again and say thanks?
Oh, yeah. Thanks to Tony and his wife,
What's your name?
Kima.
Kima. Yeah. Thanks Tony and Kima. We're sitting here. And let me tell you, separate the sun are way outside, you know. And we're sitting here and we are giving thanks. Me feel so good. God is good. Thanks Tony. Thanks once more. Because normally, you don't have Boston sweat here. Thank you, Tony. Papa, we want to go on. Long time y'all don't see me. I don't see my afro now. The thing I got turned up now over upon the Deb string here. You know? I got my last little bit of banana chips. That's how these snacks are, especially the banana chips. It is really, really addictive. Addictive. Which one of them? Whatever.
Addictive.
Addictive?
Addictive.
Addictive. When you throw out the last drop, you can, no matter how big person you are, you must really definitely don't care for banana chips. It's crunchy. And it's not salty. My banana chips them full of fat.
As I'm saying, the ones now are full of salt.
Yeah?
The ones now that I'm making is all for salt.
This one is not salty. And then you know, so them still have these, you know. I'm not after.
And also they have the bigger bag, it's in a white bag.
These are nice. Now there's a little cheese punches after later on. I'm going to have one more banana chip. I have to let a little ginger beer to wash down the latter.
I mean when the bun mostly full up?
East bun. But me craving. And I full me up nothing. A snack. Much to clean up. Papaya. This is just like some of the liquor back then. Just trying to gig your memory. I know, I think you get some parts, some places in America that can't find them. Can you find them in Canada or in the UK? Please comment, you all. Wherever you're watching from, please comment if you can find this. I know they can find them in certain states in America because I've seen people with them. So please comment if you can find any of these snacks. Okay, and if you want to request any other snack that, you know, for us to do like another little snack mukbang, request any that you used to eat when you was in Jamaica, and if it's still around, then you can make that request and would we. And also comment if you'd like to see Camera daughter-in-law on our next mukbang, whether snack or cook food. Please comment. No? It was just like we look at, we're here now about almost midday. Past midday?
Yeah.
It's a little past midday. We didn't have breakfast, we just had tea. So we had this. I went out to get these. We didn't have these at home. I don't buy these to keep them home though. You had breakfast? Okay. So I went out to get some of them. I just want to, you know, to keep this whole Jamaican thing alive. I don't want to forget on the roots, you know. You know? So I hope you have enjoyed it and all of that. Now, even though we do that, I want to show you that this Margaret, and this is the last call. They are going. All of you would like to give us support to Margaret, please. All my contacts will be in the information. So when you get to me, I will just forward Margaret's contact to you, and you go do business. Thank you for all of those who have reached out to her. May not be, it doesn't matter how much, but I know a few of you have reached out to her on YouTube here, and has given her a little patronage. Thank you so much. And those of you who are still, pardon me, this is what the ginger beer does. Okay? I'm glad it make me belch. You know what I'm saying? So, if you want to reach out, they are going like crazy. They are going like crazy. So, what I want you to do is, if you're still interested, you can get in touch with me and I'll forward her information to you, and you go give her some support. I mean, no, say Margaret, I forgot print some more. Margaret, I forgot get some more of them book here, you know. So try to remember to show Margaret. The name of the book is A Testimonial Journey. It is $30 inclusive of shipping. It doesn't matter where you are, because the shipping is a little pricey. She says the shipping is a little pricey. I think it's worth the $30. It's her little journey, a testimonial journey, which she wants to share. And all of those like myself, all of you like myself, that has a story to tell, that would like to put something in writing, it will help you. Okay? So, we hope so you did like, that snack Jamaicans back then, snack mukbang. These snacks were from forever. Banana chips, cheese crunchies, round bun and cheese. Mostly the bun? No man. The banana chips here, they bought from long time. Cheese crunchies? Come on. Cheese crunchies are from the McBand comes to cheese crunchies. They were all, then if me did man consider me a 50 ad. They're back then snacks. Comment you all, and ginger beer. Maybe the ginger beer was in the bottle, but it is in the plastic years now. And I think you can find some places. I think they up there in the States can find the glass bottle ones more than we do here.
Yeah.
Some glass bottle ones are in the supermarket, but maybe not all the flavors.
They still do have the ginger, but I wouldn't really call it ginger beer. It's the pine and ginger one.
Yeah.
I wonder anything that is.
But I know them. That is the difference. The pine and ginger are different. More like on the fruit side. You know, this is definitely like
carbonate.
artificial, not
Yes,
everything.
ginger
You know, but people drink these with these snacks. They taste up the snacks. And so we hope you have enjoyed this little back then snack mukbang. And if we surprised you with it, tell us. And we did enjoy. I want to thank you for your love. We want to thank you for your support and all of that. And you know, we are doing post notification shout out. We don't want to tend to forget. And today's post notification shout out goes to, we're going to leave it right up here, somewhere, anywhere on the screen. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. And all of you would like to get in contact with me, you can look in the description of the video, all the videos from now on, over on this channel, also over on the Jamaican cooking journey. There are all my contacts will be in there. Those who want to send gifts through the PO, get in contact with me first, because remember, you have got to get my correct name. It's not Debbie Dongayal. So thank you for your love from on the Jamaican cooking journey. Thank you for your support. And we went live last night, and if you have not seen it, you may want to go watch it. Keep your notifications on the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train. You may never know when we are going to be going live again. Thank you so much, Kimmer girl. We want to say thanks.
Thank you guys so much for all the love, as usual, that you guys always show us, all the support. You know, we appreciate it.
Okay. Yes, thanks once more to Tony and to Kima, Tony and wife. Thank you so much, Tony. I know you'll watch it. I know he watches them. We love you so much. And it doesn't matter what we do right on over here on the Jamaican Debbie Deb stream. Camera girl, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you.
Stay on top of things.
Bless.